wow, all right.
Charging at 15.3
Nice.
and currently at 0.8.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's on ventilation because the end's getting cold.
Yeah, it'll get hot.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
All right. Nice.
P-Boys, Winston Series 15, 5-inch voice cord, 5,000 watts RMS.
5K.
Yeah.
Wow.
And it's on 17500, so they are under power. So you know you get decent performance.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
What's this tune to?
32 hertz.
32.
And it's 300 springs per quarter.
Okay.
Yep.
300 and
300 springs.
300. All right.
And 4.5 cubics per sub.
4.5. 4.5. All right. Cool. Where's your? Can I see the power?
Well, the C-Max is behind that, behind here.
It's hidden underneath the amp rack.
Yep, it's a 95 amp.
Okay.
Oh, you on the Twitch?
So you got the P-Boys Winston 7500.
Yep. Oh wow. All right.
Charging at 15.3 and
Nice.
currently at 0.8.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's on ventilation because the end's getting cold.
Yeah, it'll get hot.
Yeah, no ventilation at all.
What is your amp wire to?
0.8.
0.8.
Yeah.
Have you done any kind of clamp power on it yet to see what the subs are seeing?
I haven't, but my buddy has.
So, because the subs are 5K RMS rated.
Yeah.
So it's probably babying them. Oh yeah. Not giving them much. All the way.
It still does decent sound, but you know.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Yes, sir. I'd like to hear it. Yeah, man.
Alright. Sure,
Did you do any SPL tests on it?
not yet, because it's a temp. We just doing it last night, so it's like,
Okay.
we don't want to get the best performance at it right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Shoot, so far, I found one song that actually does loud enough to actually say it's demo worthy.
What kind of frequency is it liking?
30 hertz.
30.
They're around 30.
All right. And for the amount of space you have in this vehicle, man.
We're gonna take pretty stupid.
Yeah.
About like 12, 15. I know, right?
I mean, you got your back seats in the family vehicle. You can fit people in the back. So you said you're planning to make it into a wall.
Yeah.
A wall system. Oh wow.
12, 15.
12, 15.
Yeah, hopefully it'll fit. If not, but you know, maybe like 8, 15.
Yeah. Oh man, awesome.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jake Cavallo. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. Be sure to give him a thumbs up if you haven't already. Did a really good job showcasing it at the annual Summer Showcase Show in 2022, Jacksonville, Florida. As well as comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Say some positive things. I definitely like the amount of space he utilized for his box on his enclosure to keep it as a no-wall line. And with the way the sub's up, port back, usually is the most efficient layout box design for getting as loud as possible and having back seats. So shout out to you, man. P-Boys, I've never really seen their cardio brand around, but it's definitely a unique style. And these are 5,000 watt RMS subwoofers with a 7,500 watt amp. Keep in mind, he has got this thing playing full blast, but the subs may not look like they're moving very much because they are rated for 5,000 RMS at a 5-inch voice coil size, as he was saying. And I like the way he has an optimized space usage to where he has his back seat still, but his amplifier is able to go behind the seat and behind the box without having to worry about mounting to the actual box. So that's the perk of having a big SUV like this one. It gives you a lot of optimized space. So thank y'all for watching. Once again, I appreciate y'all subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos. We're going to go ahead and get to the demo now. The song he's going to be playing is called Future Codeine Crazy 30, 33 hertz and up. So go ahead and enjoy.
That's the song I was looking for. Let's see.
got my problems and drink out the bottle. What fuck on the mother, yeah. All of my just down the corner, but it's a way old carny, yeah. Got period, I get down from a bro, like the show for the ride. I pull up with my rounds, I pull up by the ten. I could rip in your town with the girls in the town. I pull up on the town with the killers in town. Bottles of fuck, bottles of gasoline. I say in the lake. Celebrate like the champions. Celebrate like the champions. Celebrate like the champions. I told you.
Yes, sir. You're good. You did it great. I like it. And for the amount of space you have in this vehicle, man. Yeah.
Like 12, 15. I know, right?
I mean, you got your back seats in the family vehicle. You can fit people in the back. So you said you're planning to make it into a wall?
Yeah.
A wall system. Oh, wow. 12, 15.
Yeah, hopefully it'll fit. If not, but you know, maybe like 8, 15.
Yeah. Oh, man. Awesome. Nice to meet you, man.
Thanks, man.
Hey, man.
Which one? Oh, yeah, that's
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.